What up? This is TGC, and I'm with my boy Sonny,
Yo,
aka my twin. So we're gonna have another snack crate box, and this time it's from the Netherlands. Just let me hang it.
I was like, what are you doing?
So, the first candy. Last time we read the candy from the package. We're gonna read them afterwards, so it's more of a surprise for us.
Sticker?
No, I'm okay. So the first candy is Look-a-Look. 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 Look.
Look-a-look.
Look-a-look-a-look.
She look like she wanna look these nuts.
So, what is these candies remind, like, what is it, Sour Patch? No,
Nah,
not
that reminds
Sour.
me of those fucking, the dollar strips that you get down at the bodega.
What did they call those?
I don't know, the sour strips? I just call them sour strips.
Sour candies. I used to eat them a lot. I don't know. Sour candies. I grabbed a lot.
Grab like 3. These are better than those ones.
You think so?
Yeah.
To me, it tastes like stinky socks.
Nah, this shit more sour.
Shoot ball. I can't even see it.
Caramel.
Yeah, caramel.
Alright. It's caramel, not caramel.
Yeah. Whoever says caramel, you're wrong.
Try it.
I like the look of it. Looks like
Looks like a waffle cone. Yeah.
Oh, this smells
It's that-
amazing.
It's that chewy caramel too.
It smells amazing. And it's soft.
I thought it was gonna be crunchy.
Nah, I like it. Soft or crunchy.
You know what it kind of tastes like?
Yeah. I could eat this for breakfast. This is a great idea.
It's kind of like a graham cracker. I don't know, it tastes like graham crackers.
Yeah.
Like, but without the cinnamon on the top. Like when you eat the graham crackers without the cinnamon.
But I thought that was the crumbs.
That's the cinnamon sugar on the top. This is good though.
Oh no.
I thought they were gonna be crunchy though.
If you're from Amsterdam or the Netherlands, give me some of that. Oh, that was good.
Oh, she looks fucking petrified. Look at this. She looks petrified. She's not focusing.
Camera don't want to focus today. Molten drop. Or is
Why
it?
they look like the Jewish candy coins? Look at the Jewish chocolate coins.
Can't even see it. But I'll show you. Hopefully it focuses when I get close to it. Oh, they look like gummy candies.
Oh no.
They look like gummies. How can we focus? It says Venco 1 on it.
It smells like beef jerky.
Ew. Why does it smell like that? Ew. Why does it smell like that?
Oh man.
It's hard like a rock. Solid like a rock. Hey, if you want to work out.
You want this dog?
I'm about to feed it to the dog.
It's like shitty fucking. It's like shitty licorice.
What?
Like a crappy licorice.
I don't know what it is.
You chew it and it doesn't chew. It's like
I finished it. It broke.
like chewing rubber.
It has no taste. It tastes like medicine.
Let it sit in your mouth a little longer.
Our breath stinks now.
It tastes. I don't know. It tastes like
Our breath stinks.
got my palate cleanser here.
The palate cleanser. The Smurfing.
Try to figure that out.
Or that's not the name. Or that's just the.
It's got the Smurfs on it. It's got Papa Smurf
I think
here.
the Smurfing means the Smurfs. Like dick, as in the Smurf. Fen.
Makes sense.
But it's white chocolate, it says. I'm guessing because it says. I ran out of memory. Memory. As we saying, the next thing we have is the Netter chocolate.
Smurf shit.
You know, there was a neighbor. Funny story. I had a neighbor, and his voice squeaked when he was asking his son if he wanted chocolate, because there was a ice cream truck.
Look at that.
And it's way
across the street.
like over like 15 years ago.
Oh, that was
He
before
was
me
like,
and you.
yeah, he was like, chocolate. I was like, why is this grown man's voice squeaking? But he's a squeaker.
It looks like the cookie sticks with just white chocolate on it.
It looks like graham crackers. No, it looks like saltine crackers.
Do you know what it looks like? It looks like the sticks that you get in those with the cheese, just like with fucking chocolate, white chocolate over it. Oh no, they're just straight white chocolate. Ew. I don't like white chocolate.
Good?
Yeah.
I could get behind this. And the Pop Rocks in it. They're popping in my mouth.
Oh shit, yeah.
This is dope.
Yeah, there's Pop Rocks in there. That's pretty cool. So what are you supposed to do? Suck on the stick then?
Pause.
Pause.
It tastes good. I like it.
Yo,
I like it.
yo, take that half and just suck on the stick. No homo. You get some real popping action.
Mmm. It's popping in my mouth as I'm letting it melt. Mmm.
All right.
I like that one.
What do you want to do next? I think it's just milk chocolate.
Dang. Nothing can focus in these shoots. Nothing can focus.
Yeah, I think it's just milk chocolate.
Really?
Yeah, but it kind of looks like that cheap ass Easter milk.
Do you want to eat half?
Yeah, I'll eat half and you'll have the other
And I
half.
think milk, chocolate tastes the same.
Nah, this is like that cheap looking milk chocolate. It kind of looks like, you know when we do that Easter milk chocolate that's kind of like cheapy?
So you're saying Netherlands have cheap chocolate? Oh, no, there's nothing cheap about this.
That's
Once I bit into it, it melted right away.
melted right in my mouth.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't look like it.
It looks sweet. It tastes great. I like it. I like it. Coffee.
Hopajels.
Raid maker. Hope this.
Whatever the fuck it is. It's yeah, good luck focusing.
Why don't anything want to focus? Whatever. You know how small it is. It's coffee.
Oh wait, time out. This is like
It says coffee.
this is like hard candy thing.
Oh. Well, I broke one too.
Nah, see, I like this. I like these.
What?
Yeah, I like those coffee hard candies.
So you like those old people candy.
Sometimes old people got some pretty good candies.
Sometimes.
Oh, it's not too hard.
Well, you had the wrestling in your mouth too.
Yeah, after you suck on it for a little bit, it doesn't get as hard. No, pause.
Pause now. A lot of pauses. Jesus Christ. I like it though. Stop chasing everything down with this sour.
They feel good.
Alright. Last but not least, we have soda. This is cherry bouquet. Bouquet?
Go quiet.
It'll be down there. Bouquet? Bouquet. Make a bouquet?
Yeah, I guess. Is that how you say it in Netherlands?
Is that how you spell it?
It looks like it's all in English. But it's a sparkling lemonade. This shit's bubbly lemonade with some cherry zing.
But I wonder if it's like salsa water.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a salsa water lemonade.
So if I shake it, do you think it would be the same?
Yeah, it's gonna fucking spray.
Do you guys have... I feel like special.
Yo, this is how you're gonna tell right now, watch.
Do you want to shake it?
Nah, we're not gonna shake it. You'll feel the pressure. You can feel the pressure.
Oh yeah. This is like a rock.
Open that shit that way. Hope that shit wasn't shaking. And that shit was mad gas.
Yeah.
You can see the bubbles everywhere.
It smells just like bubble gum.
No.
It smells like bubble gum to me. Like Hubba Bubba.
Kinda does smell like bubble gum.
Yeah, I like this.
It's kinda weird.
I like this.
You know I'm better at doing that.
It tastes just like bubble gum.
No, it tastes like something else.
No, it tastes like bubble gum. It tastes like... No. Ew. You know what it tastes like? The aftertaste?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
It tastes like medicine.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, no, this does not taste like bubble gum.
It tastes like bubble gum at first, and then medicine.
Oh man, once you let it sit for a while,
Yeah.
yo, it tastes like horrible. Yo,
I like the first initial taste of it though.
yeah, it goes on. It's pretty good at first.
The second part is like, yeah. I mean, might as well finish it. I spent money on this.
Yeah, it tastes like at first like those not the hubble bubble, the double bubble, the fucking in the
I like it.
the what do you call it, wrappers? The yellow wrappers.
Those are Hubba Bubbles.
I thought those double bubbles. I'm pretty sure those are double bubbles.
You can look it up.
Because Hubble Bubble is the bubble tape. Hubble Bubble bubble tape. And
There's too many. There's too many bubble.
Bubble bubble.
Excuse me. Oh wow, that burp tasted amazing. Even though the aftertaste of this tastes disgusting.
Yo, I was right. It's double bubble. Look.
That's not the yellow wrappers.
Yeah.
It's double bubble.
Double bubble.
I thought it was Hubba Bubble. What the heck is Hubba Bubble, bro?
Double bubble. Hubble Bubble is the bubble tape. The fucking tapes. This is Hubble Bubble. I mean the bubble gums both taste the same.
Yeah. Yeah, they both taste the same.
Hubble Bubble is that.
No, they don't taste the same. They don't.
The tape tastes the same as the
what?
This tastes like the bubble tape. It doesn't taste like double bubble.
To me, it tastes like double.
It tastes like the tape. It tastes like that. Because the Hubble Bubble.
No, but this has a bad aftertaste.
No, I'm talking about the initial taste.
Oh. The aftertaste tastes like Pepto-Bismol.
I like Pepto-Bismol. That does not taste like Pepto-Bismol.
That tastes like Pepto-Bismol.
I can straight up drink Pepto-Bismol out the bottle.
That tastes like Pepto-Bismol.
Yo, Pepto-Bismol is like my comfort drink.
What?
When my stomach's all fucked up. I love Pepto.
So drink, I don't know, what would mess up your stomach right now? So you test out this theory. That tastes like double trouble. I mean, bubble, wait, Pepto.
No.
That tastes like
No.
This, if I could...
It does not taste like...
Take some of that.
Don't fucking spill it on the camera.
I know. Well, if you could taste this, Fernandez, I don't know. This, you know.
Want a chaser?
No, I'm not taking. I might keep burping from this. Ugh. So, that was all the candy.
Now let's read about them.
Now we gonna learn. We gonna learn today.
I told you that was licorice. That shit didn't smell like licorice. That shit smelled like fucking beef jerky.
It smelled like.
I mean, I love beef jerky, but
it tasted like
that was like
formaldehyde, or whatever that word is.
Excuse me.
The de-smurfing that we had, the little pop rocks, that is a cracker twist and dipped with white chocolate.
It is cracker in there. Hey, there's a black cat.
There was no cracker in there. There was nothing crackerish about it. That the chocolate was cocoa. The look is
right here.
It's the same thing, but it's gummy sour candy. The little coffee things that we had it's for coffee lovers, made from the 1700s.
That shit's that old?
No, I mean it's not.
No, I know that. I mean like they're that old. I mean.
Oh, the Netherlands?
The company making them.
Yeah. Oh yeah, late 1700s.
What
the shoot waffles? They're the caramel and creamy. Hot coffee or tea to soften.
We could have had it with coffee or tea to make it even better.
Yeah, to soften the caramel.
Shit, we should have read it ourselves. Oh no, but then that like defeats the purpose of like the mystery of the taste.
Damn. I think that's why they give you two.
We done fucked up, AA Ron.
I mean, AA Ron. But yeah, that was it for. Oh yeah, and the cherry bouquet, which is Pepto-Bismol.
Pepto in a can.
It says cherry soda, and it's popular in the Netherlands. Nothing popular.
What the fuck?
With Pepto-Bismol. Well, Pepto-Bismol is popular, but there's nothing good with the taste. What does that say? Bolognese? Bootlegged Bolognese? These unique chips are flavored with tangy tomatoey goodness. Called Bolognese sauce. It sounds like boat-legged. Like bow-legged in the knees. You bow-legged in your knees? Sauce?
It's like a meat sauce.
A meat?
Yes, meat sauce.
Oh, that probably tastes good.
Some meaty chips.
Bolognese sauce.
What was the other chips? There's another chips. Oh, those aren't chips. What the fuck is that? Is that like a Chex Mix? Scrotum? This is scrotum. This is scrotum racatilliosis.
Oh yeah, scrotum.
Scrotum.
A scrotum.
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 Scrotum is right.
I think it's scrotum.
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 Scrotum. A ball sack. Scrotum.
Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Room in the process. But yeah, that's it for the Netherlands. I thank you for your candy. It's getting late out, so yeah. Thank you.
Peace.